Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you the DEWALT tool in action. This is the drill and chisel action. I can't show you the drill part being used in wood, but I can show you into concrete. Now today I've got an interesting job to do. Now I'll show you behind me. Very simple, easy job. That step there, not all of it. Now I've got to take out this piece over here so it's all nice and clear, and also over there I'm going to get that nice and level. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you the drill action and the chisel action. So we've got my chisel here. Very simple, easy chisel to go in. So you just push it in and pull them out. As simple as that. So they're easy. So that's the chisel we're going to be using. But we're going to first start off with the drill. Now I'll show you the kit I purchased yesterday. Well, look what's just arrived. What on earth could this possibly be? As you guessed, it's the set of tools. The chisels and stuff. Comes in a nice box. Right, so let's have this open. So let's have a look what's inside. As you guess, it's a chisel set. They do look the business. And I'm sure I'm going to be using these very shortly. And this set costs £70. So before we start the job, I'll just show you the tools I'm going to be using most likely. I'm most likely going to be using this one and definitely a drill. But the important job before you start, set of glasses and gloves. Hardware as well if you want to. Coat, trousers, you name it, that's what you really need for the job. And probably the important part again is your eyes, your ears and your head. Oh, and by the way, your feet, if you're going to be doing anything serious with the feet. Right, so we'll move on and we'll start work over here. So for this, we want the hammer, which is over here. So press in and turn. And basically that's it. So the first thing I've noticed is with this drill, which is actually really good. I'll just move these a minute. You can see my beautiful face. First thing I've noticed, it does cut through very well into concrete. There is no feedback on the arms or hands at all. It is really nice. And against the old Black & Decker I got, that drill just goes in there like, it's easy. I should have got with these years ago. Well, I've done a few of those little drill holes now, and what we'll do is we'll change over to the chisel so we can actually see the chisel being used now. So we'll chisel that little bit out, which I've just drilled down there, and we'll move on swiftly. All right, we'll see how easy this is. This is a different position now, down here. So we'll see how easy this is to cut out. Wow, that's a bit of fun. It's made a lot of easier work for me, that's coming out really well. Well, I'm going to carry on with this now and you'll see what I've done at the end of the video. And then I'll let you know exactly what I feel like. My hands are tingling because I'm not used to doing this type of thing. But apart from that, there's no feedback on the body. Whereas using a hammer and chisel, taking the rest of the step out the other day, that was hard work and I killed my legs. So I'm going to carry on with this and we'll see what I've actually done at the end.